welcome back, City Hunters. New day, new vlog. I'm here today with my brother Hussein, right?
Yeah, my
Yes.
name is Hussein.
Yeah, he's speaking
Yeah,
Urdu as well,
yeah,
man.
not very well. It's okay. We are in the Azerbaijan, in the mud volcanoes. It's in the old world. It's just 800 rupees, 400 in Azerbaijan. Here in the one we can show you. It's composition, clay, and minerals and gas. It's also fire. It's very good for the gills, the allergic reaction, and somebody using this for the cosmetics. There is you can show this place. Show the this place.
Which
There
place?
is
Oh, they want.
buildings.
Yes.
It's place for give a one, mud one. People are coming from everywhere from the world coming to here and getting mud one. It will be really good because of it's not too much in the world. It's just 800. Someone is in the mountains. For example, you can show this mountains. It's also mud volcano, but it's so big one. It's also bombing sometimes. After I think 4 years to one, it's bombing, but it's not danger for us because of it's sort of far from
Far
very
from
far
city.
from cities, and the people's coming here getting mud ones. There are
Yes.
big complex in here, also creating road like this.
Yes.
It will be on after 1 year, I think.
It will be finished then.
Yeah, will
Okay.
be finished.
Then we can use it.
I wait everyone to here, and we have amazing place in Azerbaijan, and I'm sure about this. If you come to here, you will like my country. Thank you. Shukriya.
Now I'll be filming the mud volcanoes. This is one of the mud volcano. You can see it's blimping. So this is all natural. We're not doing anything as of yet. But this really looks cool, man. Cool place. And yeah, I mean just if you
can do
look,
this.
you can put
It's
your hands
cold
in.
the summer, hot than weather in the winter.
Yeah, so cold in the summer and hot in the winter, right?
Yeah,
Sam?
exactly.
Cool. Okay, now we're moving further towards some next destination, and after that we will get back to you. We're going to walk this area, and we're going to show you this area then. Let's go. Here you can see all the different volcanoes. Look,
You can see baby of volcano.
this is a baby one.
Yeah, so small one. And you can see mother of this
And
volcano.
this is the mom. Okay, let's move forward.
It's brother, 1 year bigger than him.
This is
And his father.
and that's the dad. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So this is then the area, right?
Yeah, it's mud volcano area in Gobustan in Baku.
In Baku,
Yeah.
Gobustan. Cool. Next stop is Gobustan, and Hussein brother will explain what this is.
Hi guys. Firstly, I wanna show you this.
Come on.
Then we will see they are creating picture in the here. It is for calling. I wanna show you sound. They are old peoples all living in these mountains, not together. If they wanna come together, not calling with voice, calling with this one. It's have different voice. That time all the coming here. Do you wanna try?
Yes, please.
Let's do.
Okay, so let me try this. I'll hold this one, and then I'll make some sound. Let's
Yeah.
go. Yes, dance.
Yeah, bro. First rock and roll starts living in Azerbaijan.
Okay, thanks, man.
Let's go other place.
Okay, let's go move forward then.
after raining, water is coming here. Then they are drinking.
Oh,
Not have any cup and something.
oh, they used to drink.
Yeah. But I will show you this place. It's home of first humans.
This one.
Yeah. You can see symbols in here.
Başına da aşağı diyor.
So this is the first home of
Yeah.
the civilization. But they used to live here then.
Yeah. Yeah. Like a home. Bibi-Heybat Mosque. This mosque before the Soviet time, it was a historical mosque. Then the Soviet regime is atheist. They're all the clothes, the mosque, everything. They're without religions. I mean. Then after Soviet Union, we do this mosque open again and create new. Let's see inside how you will see the color of inside. It's mostly using green.
Okay, let's go then. Big mosque.
It's part of Baku.
Oh yes. Yeah, something to do about it. Oh wow.
This is for money.
Uh-huh.
For example, people's coming here and putting you 150 coin up to him. It's going to who is need help. For example, who is the poor, who is need hospitality money. That's why it's really good. Then putting in sweets.
Sweets as well.
Yeah, sweets now the rice.
Yes.
But before you have sweets, they're
Sweets.
giving free. To
Okay.
people.
Yes.
And look at the floor.
Wow. Wow.
Did you like it?
This is amazing.
Really?
It's the first time I've seen this type of mosque. who's inside this?
It's all in small piece.
Oh,
It's
yes.
full like this.
So, it's a lot of work.
Yeah.
Now we are in the fire mountain. It's 500-year-old this place, never off. In
What?
the rain, wind, nothing.
What's the name of this place?
Yanardag in Azerbaijan
Yanardag.
language. It means fire mountain.
Fire Mountain.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
It's with the gas.
Okay, okay. Let's go.
Have some religions
Uh-huh.
putting here coin and like a praying.
Okay.
You can see these coins.
Yes, yes,
They are
yes.
coming here, putting coins.
And this is all natural, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And only on this side the fire is burning? Or
I
other
think,
sides
yeah.
as well?
I never see some other countries
Okay.
have something like this.
Okay, okay. So this is Yanardag.
Yeah,
Okay. Fire mine.
fire mountain.
Cool. What's your name?
Ayhan,
Ayhan. And what's the name of the horse?
Zeyran,
Zeyran. How old is the horse?
11.
11 years.
Yes,
And you live in Baku?
yes, Baku.
Baku. Okay, do you love this horse?
Yes,
Yes. Good, man. Which football team do you support? Karabakh.
yes, Karabakh.
Karabakh. Okay, okay. Nice, man. Nice. Let me make a video of this beautiful horse. And yeah, let me